This video will cover how to use Pnji, the new appointment scheduling system for all of the tutoring centers at ELAC. You can go to Pnji at web.PenjiApp.com. You can also find Pnji in the iTunes or Android App Store. So we're going to go ahead and sign in. You'll sign in with your student.laccd.edu account. If it's your first time, it will prompt you to create a password. You'll see that we've landed on the ELAC Language Lab. On the side, you'll also find the Learning Center, the Math Lab, or the Reading and Writing Center. I'm going to navigate to the Learning Center. Here, you have multiple options. You can schedule various appointments, you can join a study session, or you can view drop-in tutoring. Let's go ahead and schedule a 30-minute appointment. You're then going to find your class. A class may show up for you, otherwise you'll have to go to Edit Your Classes. Let's say you're looking for Soc 1. Now Soc 1 will appear in your list of classes. You're going to select that class and click Next. You'll see the blue slots highlighted with when tutors are available. So let's say I want 11 to 11:30. Now I'm going to be given a list of tutors who are available. So for this one, Angel is available. I'm going to select his name, and I'm going to click Select. And you'll see that Angel is available for face-to-face tutoring in E3 280. If that's okay with you, then you're going to go ahead and select that location and click Next, and you're going to tell Angel what it is that you need help with. And we'll say Next. Okay, so this shows you that you booked Soc 101 on Thursday the 16th at 11 a.m. with Angel in E3 280, and you're telling him that you're struggling with terminology, and you're going to say Complete. You expected to attend this session, and we're going to say Create. Now, on your list, Angel, this appointment will show up, and when it's time for your appointment, all you need to do, since it's in person, is go to the Learning Center, and it will show you all of this information again. Let's say you wanted an online appointment, and we'll go with accounting. So here again, we have several options. So I'm going to take Friday from 10 to 10:30. And I'll see that Annie is available. Annie is only tutoring online at that time, so I'm going to select a Zoom meeting. And tell her what I need help with. And then I'm going to complete the appointment. So for an online appointment, when you go back into the system, you'll find your appointment, Friday, 10 a.m., and you'll click, and it gives you the link to the Zoom meeting, and you can just click Open Link to join the meeting. Now, there's another option too. Your instructor may have a tutor embedded in your class. So to find those sessions, you're going to click Join a Study Session. And you're going to find your class. Let's say it's Philosophy. Let's say it's Philosophy 1. So Philosophy 1 shows up. And then you're going to see that Villaseñor's Philosophy 1 has a section, And then there are 2 sections for SNEEDS Philosophy 1. One is on Fridays, and the other one is on Thursdays. So you're going to decide you want to join the Thursday, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Philosophy 1 study session for SNEED. And you're going to click Join. Okay, so now on your list, this is going to show up weekly on Thursdays. So whenever you come to join this session, you're going to click here and then open the link. Okay, and that will record your presence. And then your instructor will be able to get a list of people who have attended. I hope that this helps so that you know how to schedule appointments. If you don't, you're welcome to drop by any of the Zoom centers for any of the tutoring, and they can help you out. Thank you.